Hello friends, my name is Arslan Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Center. Friends, today Microsoft announced a big change in Microsoft big software, powerful software. It's a Microsoft PowerShell. If you are using it, then it will be helpful for you. Microsoft recently released a PowerShell version 7.2. The updated PowerShell includes several improvements and bug fixes and new features. Now it's now integrated with Microsoft updates, meaning it will automatically receive servicing releases when they include in the critical bugs fixes or security updates. Microsoft announced the release of PowerShell 7.2 in a blog post, Microsoft blog post, and outlines all of its changes in depth in a support documents. I will provide the both link in the description. You can read it carefully. The first thing Microsoft highlight about PowerShell 7.2 is that it can stay up to update automatically. The MSI installer will automatically enable updating PowerShell 7 as well as enabling Microsoft updates. You can run stable and preview version of PowerShell side by side, meaning you could have the preview of 7.2 updates to version 7.3 when it become available, while keeping a stable version of version 7.2. Enhanced ported for ANSI allow people to decorate text and other elements in PowerShell. This allow user to easily differentiate between information, such as using a different color for a metadata versus data when using a table or a list view. PowerShell 7.2 can predict when you may be typing based on your history. PowerShell user can customize this feature, including setting the color of predictive text. As it can even numbered minor versions release, PowerShell 7.2 will be supported in production for 3 years. There is 1 year overlap in which PowerShell 7.0 7.0 is still supported and PowerShell 7.2 is available. Microsoft recommend taking this time to evaluate version 7.2 and report any issue that would prevent migrations.
So guys, if you want to check PowerShell version, then you can click on start button, then search PowerShell, then it's open it, then type a command cat dash host, same as I will give all commands in my video description. You can same copy and paste it. If you get this get this version here, then it's okay. It's version 5.1.19.0 sorry, 5.1.19041.1320. If you get this, then it's your version. If you don't get, then type another command $PSVersionTable. Then you get this all table of PowerShell version. Here you can get 5.1.19041.1320. It's the all PowerShell versions. Its edition is desktop editions. Then all the details are yours.
I hope you like my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel and share my videos.